Hello, smart people. I'm Lisa, and I wanted to take just a few minutes to show you this simple notebook. If you have been with me for a while, you know that I'm repeatedly saying, watch, pause, write it down, and repeat. The information that I'm providing you here at Easy Federal Resume and more gives you more. While I am totally flattered by the offers to pay me to write your federal resume, I can assure you that I stand behind the content that I'm pouring into each playlist continually. I'm loading it with content and confidence that if you watch all the way through and follow my advice, you're more likely to get your foot in the door and keep it there and thrive there, making the federal government your benefactor rather than it making a dependent of you. This simple notebook, which I'll provide you the link below for purchasing on Amazon, is not only a visual reminder of this channel, which is where you got the information from, but it also allows you to recall the information that you found valuable. An inexpensive and simple, clean notebook, but when packed with information specific to your needs, it will instantly become your federal resume Bible of sorts. Written by you. Buy it for yourself, send it to a friend, or just pick it up to say thanks. Easy Federal Resume Notebook. A notebook for smart people, serious